2 years ago, the Nuggets could legitimately be up in arms about the road-heavy start to an oddly planned schedule. This season? Not so much. All things considered, the Nuggets caught a bit of a scheduling break when the NBA slate of games was released Wednesday. There aren't multiple long road trips. There aren't games played on a holiday, or multiple holidays. Their longest continuous road trip is broken up by a 3-day hiatus that might allow the team to come home for a couple of days. Their most packed stretch of road contests is broken up at the end by a 10-day All-Star break. Nope. Not bad at all. The Nuggets opened the second season of Brian Shaw's coaching era against the new-look Detroit Pistons on October 29 at the Pepsi Center. The first road game is November 1 at Oklahoma City. The Nuggets' lone long road trip is a 5-game swing in March. There is a stretch from January the 26th to February the 22nd when they'll play 9 of 11 games on the road. But that is broken up by the All-Star break, which for the Nuggets runs from February the 11th to the 19th.